Publish and Sales Summary Options in RetailManager Multistore. Once your multi-store settings have been completed, you can proceed with selecting what information you want to publish across your store network. Go to Settings, Setup, Multi-Store, and select Publish. Publish Options. To enable publishing of data between stores, tick the checkbox for Allow Publishing. Select whether you want to publish the following: inventory levels, customer lists. Tip: enabling these options allows you to consolidate inventory and customer information from all your store locations. This data can be exported into individual or combined Excel spreadsheets. Sales Summary Options. To publish sales performance summaries, tick Publish Sales Summary. Choose how often you'd like to publish the summary, daily or weekly. If you select weekly, please specify the day of the week you would like to receive the report. Period Settings. Define the time range the sales summary should cover. For daily reports, setting the period to 0 will include data from every day. For weekly reports, setting the period to 0 will include data for the past 7 days. You can select up to 4 weeks for a broader view. Once all selections are complete, click Save, and proceed to the synchronization step to begin data sharing and updates between stores.